and my family going to the smoke pit. I was on the phone with my mom earlier today, and I was like, I don't know, I wish my husband would take me out to eat, because I was wanting to go to the smoke pit. And I was saying it in front of him. He said I'm spoiled, but he's taking me. But I've really been sick, y'all. I've been in the hospital. I haven't been feeling well. I've been taking a lot of medicine. I'm still taking it every day. And it makes me very tired and very sleepy. So I just can't cook today. I normally cook Sunday dinner, but today I was like, not today. So me and my daughter and my husband, we on our way to the smoke pit right now.
What was that? Rice? We don't have any rice, I'm sorry. We have potato salad.
Can she get 2 servings of okra?
Yeah, you can get 2 servings.
You want to get 2 servings of okra? What is that, baby?
That pulled chicken is good.
Let me tell you what. I might have to get this time.
Ain't it?
That's that sausage.
Smoked sausage.
That's good too, though.
Y'all could always do a pick 2 and share.
What is that?
Show y'all. Right here we have combo plates where you can pick 2 meats, pick 3 meats, pick 4 meats. And they're plenty to share.
Really?
Yeah, they are big meals. And even if you wanted to do, say, a pick 4 and take home some of the meat.
So many options. I think I'm just gonna do what I did last time because it was so good.
Okay.
I want to do the
Burger.
the barbecue bacon cheeseburger.
How would you like it cooked?
Well done, no pink at all.
One side?
Both sides.
One.
Oh, okay. Sorry. One side. What did I get last time? Fries. I'll do fries again. I really want okra though.
Well, she's getting 2 sides of okra, so if she doesn't finish it, you can always share.
Oh, she eats more than me and him put together.
Oh, girl.
Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll do fries right now. I might end up ordering some okra.
Okay, that's fine.
What you want, baby?
I want to get the
I'll take these.
I want to get the pulled chicken plate.
Small or large?
Those.
Small is a ½ pound, large is a full pound. You always take some home for tomorrow.
I guess a large plate and have some leftovers for later.
How many?
My wife might want some. What did I get last time? What are your sides on here?
At the very bottom.
Yep. I'm gonna do.
Well, they had kind of my size, baby.
Kinda. Yeah. It's kinda.
I mean, I think I can pack all this in there.
I think it'll look great.
You think it look great?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So I'm gonna order you said I can order the dress when we get back home?
Yeah, then the rest of that money we need to.
Okay, baby. I'm happy you let me get my dress and you took me out to eat where I want to eat, so.
You deserve it.
That is very true. No, who you over there talking to on the iPhone?
Dookie Doo.
Dookie Doo. Why does my daughter call her friend Dookie Doo? And why does her friend let her call her Dookie Doo? It's in her phone. Oh my gosh.
Broke up on that time. You had it with them.
Justin has it. Foods came. She's bringing me some fry sauce back. It's mayonnaise, ketchup, and sriracha sauce. And my daughter has her brisket sandwich and 2 servings of okra. And baby has a lot of food over here that he said he was sharing, but I don't like vinegar on my chicken, so I'm not getting none of that.
You what?
Yeah, me too. I'm full, but I'm not miserable.
Perfect.
That's why I have lunch for tomorrow. You have a couple boxes, and I not ate out hers. And she back there full on her iPhone. Me, I got a box in the back. I'm gonna have for lunch tomorrow. And now we're on our way back home. I didn't have to cook today.
You know your way back?
Happy Sunday. Yeah, I know my way back, baby. Thank you. So, until next time, make sure you subscribe, like, follow, share, all that great stuff. Bye.